Is your Ford EcoSport key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. First, confirm the problem. Does the LED light flash when you press a button? Do the doors respond? If not, a battery replacement is likely needed. To open the fob, locate the release button or seam. Use a small, flat plastic tool to gently pry the case open. Avoid using metal tools to prevent damaging the electronics or causing static discharge. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully twist or lever until the case separates. Now that the key fob is open, identify the battery type. It uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up before removing the old one. Remove the old battery and install the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Incorrect orientation can prevent the fob from working. Carefully snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it works, you're done. If not, consult your Ford owner's manual for reprogramming steps or seek professional assistance. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Consider cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with rubbing alcohol if there was any corrosion.